Hey everyone, Ravi here. Welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into Gamma, a web-based AI tool that helps you build presentations, social media content, websites, and more, and it does it in seconds. Now, the first thing that you're going to want to do is that you're going to want to create a free account on Gamma. And as you can see, I've already started designing my own projects and everything else here. So anyways, let's jump right in. We're going to be walking through an example using an offer that I'm building for a niche that I'm looking into, which is pool builders. So I'm going to click on Create New with AI. And as soon as you sign up for the app, this is essentially what you're going to be seeing, right? So I'm going to be pasting in text, but you can essentially like just generate an entire presentation just using a simple prompt. So here you would basically type in what you would like to make, and you would choose the amount of cards, etc., and the kind of copy that you want to generate: web page, document, social media. In my case, I'm going to be choosing paste in text because I've actually got some notes lined up for my AI, for my offer creation that I want to be using here. Okay, so here we can paste the content. You can also do this via a file or a URL, which can also be done. But for now, I'm going to be using this one. So essentially, this is what I've got. So the automated pool builder, niche automation suite for pool builders. And this is essentially the stuff that I want to include, right? So here, what do I want to do with this content? I want to generate from notes or an outline. And then I'm just going to continue to the prompt editor. And this will basically just take you through to a prompt editor, which from here you can basically configure how you want this entire thing to act. So you can basically give it additional instructions, but I'm going to leave that empty for now. What I do want to draw your attention to is how you want to essentially structure the entire thing, right? So you can essentially give as much information as you want, but right now I'm just going to go with this one, concise, because it's been working pretty well for me. And as you can see, this has already written the who this is going to be for. So this is going to be for pool businesses, pool business owners and managers, as well as using a persuasive, efficient, results-oriented tone, which is going to be for business owners essentially. You can choose the language, and you can choose from pretty much any language over here. And over here in the images section, so the image style, you can basically describe exactly what kind of images you're going to be using in your presentation, as well as the image model that you're going to be using. Right now we're on a free account, so we're basically using the basic models, and Flux Fast 1.1, the one that I'm using right now, has been working pretty well, but you're going to be seeing it in action just in a second. Okay, so without further ado, I'm just basically going to continue, and then this will essentially make the presentation for us. Right, now what we're going to be doing is that we're going to be choosing the theme of the of the actual presentation. Seeing as we're doing a pool builder, I do want to have a blue and white type kind of outline. So this one is going to work quite well for us. Or we can do something a little bit more like this. This one also looks pretty good. Yeah, let's go with this one, Alicia. And we're going to basically just generate that, and it'll just basically start generating an entire presentation in a matter of seconds. So I'm not going to pause the video because I want you to see the speed on it. And as you can see, it's already started to build the entire thing. And bam, it's already done. This is the second slide. And I'm just going to pause the video until it finishes, because it'll just take maybe like 20-30 seconds. Right guys, so it's basically finished, and honestly it looks so good. As you can see, there's 8 slides right here, right? And right now what I want to do is that I want to walk through a couple of the features with you. So okay, so right now, if you don't like some of the actual graphics, like for example, I don't really like this one, So permitting and compliance calendar, compliance tracker, automatic tracking, template libraries, local authority integration. Right, so essentially like permitting and compliance tracker, this is not what I envisioned. So automated tracking, permit dues, permit due dates and monitored with automatic reminders to prevent costly delays. Okay, that's fine. Ready to use templates for common compliance documentation, saving hours of preparation. Okay, and local authority integration. So we can't really do that. So we're just going to delete that. Yeah, I'm just going to delete this because I don't really need it. So hang on. Here we go. So I'm just basically just going to delete that. No more missed deadlines, zero compliance surprises. Yeah, so as soon as we can basically add some templates to their CRM and everything else, then yeah, we can basically access the ready to use templates for common compliance. Now, one other thing that I do want to do is that I want to change this image, digital calendar with permit deadlines, a blend of pastel and gradient tones. No. I'm gonna take away the pink and purple. Blue, turquoise. No, not violet, not lilac. Blue, turquoise, and white. Digital calendar with permit deadlines highlighted, compliance documents and approval stamps, professional interface design. Yeah, okay. We're going to basically recreate that prompt for that image. And there we go. Look, yeah, that looks a lot nicer. You can basically choose from a wide variety of choices here. No, sorry, so it will basically give you a range of choices here, right? So this is the one that we've got, and it can use this one, or it can use this one, or it can use this one, right? So I'm just basically going to go for this one because I really like it. And yeah, so aside from that, you don't really need to worry too much about the actual design. You don't really need to stress about the layout. You don't need to stress about what images you're going to be using. The Gamma app is basically going to do it all for you. So yeah, maybe we could play around a little bit more with the themes rather than have it like this. I've also made another one for this presentation, but I wasn't really happy with the result of the video, so I'm just basically going to show you the result of that. So this is the other presentation that I made. This looks quite nice as well, and I did the same exact process. It's just that when I was recording the video, the audio was a little bit off, so I had to just re-record it and do it the other way. But yeah, for sure, play around with it. If you want to like redo stuff, you can basically always include images. You can import GIFs from Giphy. You can probably make your own GIFs and just like paste them in here as well. And also YouTube videos. You can actually have YouTube videos over here. I'm going to show you with one of my YouTube videos that I've got lined up. And here we go, guys. Now I have my presentation with my own personalized video in here, which is, I think it's amazing, honestly. Like, simplest one. Yeah. Okay. I don't really need that right now, so I'm just going to delete it. But you can also like include Spotify, have music in here, and yeah, it's honestly a really cool app. And also, you also have this Gamma tips and tricks already created. It's basically a presentation made for you by the Gamma team, which will basically take you through anything that you need to know about the Gamma app, and it's very instructive. So I definitely recommend you checking this out. So yeah, as you can see, this is where I basically got my idea of like putting Spotify in here, and it'll teach you how to do a lot of other things, right? And something that I really like about this is that you can make some really nice things over here like this, and you can like import them here from from Smart Layouts. No, it's not Smart Layouts, but it is Embed Apps. No. Here we go, card template. Yeah, and as you can see, you can basically have a card template and you can expand it, yeah, delete it if you want, and yeah, that's it pretty much. So yeah, that's it for today's video, guys. I'm still exploring everything that Gamma has to offer, but even from day one, it's clear that this tool has been a huge time saver for me. And if you want to give it a try, I've dropped the link in the description below. There's a free plan, so definitely check it out. And I hope that you found this helpful. So see you in the next video. Bye.